PiNetwork's development team are aiming to roll out during the first quarter of 2025. The PiNetwork's Mainnet launch has been in the news for quite some time. This network boasts of the ability to convert Pi coins into fiat currencies, thus making it a highly looked-after event. However, the prolonged delay of over 6 years has led to much frustration among the pioneers. But things can now take a good turn, as the network will soon be introduced for all. Here's when the launch can happen and all the details we know. Pi Mainnet launch, full details. PiNetwork's development team continues to work towards the Mainnet launch. They are aiming to roll out during the first quarter of 2025. However, there are some conditions applied to it. Here's what needs to be noted. To facilitate the launch, the PiNetwork team has extended the KYC and Mainnet migration grace period. Now the deadline has been shifted to January 31st, 2025. The extension will allow more users to finalize the necessary steps to secure their Pi holdings. According to the latest updates, over 12 million users have been verified. The rising popularity resulted in a move closer to its 15 million target pre-decided for the Mainnet launch. The PiNetwork's Mainnet launch has been a topic of anticipation and has experienced several delays. As of the latest updates, the open Mainnet is now expected to launch in the first quarter of 2025. KYC verification and deadlines. To ensure a smooth transition to the Mainnet, the PiNetwork team has emphasized the importance of completing the Know Your Customer KYC verification process. The deadline for KYC completion has been extended to January 31st, 2025, providing users additional time to verify their identities and secure their Pi holdings. What to expect? Mainnet accessibility. Upon the Mainnet launch, users will have the ability to transfer Pi tokens to external wallets and exchanges, enhancing the utility and accessibility of Pi coins. Regulatory compliance. The extended KYC deadline underscores PiNetwork's commitment to regulatory compliance and network security, ensuring that all participants are verified and legitimate. Recommendations for users. Complete KYC. Promptly. Users are advised to complete their KYC verification by the January 31st, 2025 deadline to avoid any delays in accessing and transferring Pi tokens after the Mainnet launch. Stay informed. Regularly check official PiNetwork communications for updates on the Mainnet launch and related processes to stay informed about any further developments. By adhering to these guidelines, users can ensure they are well prepared for the upcoming Mainnet launch and can fully participate in the expanded PiNetwork ecosystem. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share.